Hello, this is Nate. I'm with Hubbell Premise Wiring, and we're here at InfoComm 2019. And the product I'm going to be showing you today, this is relatively new at the show this year, is a new recessed table box from us. It's the HBL986 BK. And what this unit does is it will accept our HD-based T units, our USB charging outlet with AV power supply that's also powering these units as well. It's got a cover that allows us to close it, but also have the cables exit. Now underneath, what you're going to see is it's got an inline GFCI built into it as well. Comes as a kit, pre-terminated to a standard 15 amp cord. This allows low voltage installers to install it without having to get an electrician involved. It comes with a deep box in there as well. So this is a great unit for being able to put AV connectivity in a conference room table box. It's also available as a 2-gang unit. For more information on this, please visit Hubbell-premise.com.